Dear students, now 4.1 question number 2 and third part. Rohan's mother is 26 older than him. So we'll write it as Rohan's mother is 26 older. Older means बड़े हैं than Rohan. Mother is 26 older than Rohan. So if Rohan's age is X, let the Rohan's present age is X. As I told you, when you have to assume the age, you have to assume X to that which is in combination. तो हम रोहन की एज को X मानेंगे. If Rohan's age is X, then let us find out mother's age. X plus 26. So mother's present age will be X plus 26 years. Right? Now let's move on to the question. In the second line, the product of their ages means according to the question, the product of mother's age and Rohan's age, the product of their ages in years, 3 years from now, 3 years from now will be dear students, that means they are talking about the ages in future. So we have to first assume the Rohan's and mother's age in future after 3 years. So अगर Rohan अभी at present he is X years old, then what will be his age after 3 years? It will be X plus 3 years. 3 साल बाद वो 3 साल ऐड हो जाएंगे. Similarly मदर की एज में भी चेंज आएगा. मदर सेम एज के तो नहीं रह जाएंगे. She will also becomes like this is present age plus 3 years after now. So mother's present age will be X plus 29 years, right? So according to the question, the product of their ages from now will be, the product of their, product means multiplying, their ages from now after 3 years will be के लिए will be future tense था, वो तो शो कर रहा था. Otherwise will be के लिए क्या सिंबल आ जाएगा, is equal to 360. So here we have to put their age after 3 years. So what is mother's age after 3 years? It is X plus 29. And what is Rohan's age after 3 years? It is X plus 3. So is equal to 360. Now dear students, apply distributive property, multiply the two brackets and you will get a quadratic equation as we are doing quadratic chapter. Then solve it by splitting middle term. And then you will get the Rohan's present age. From there we can find out the Rohan's mother's present age. So let us solve it. So dear students, by multiplying them we'll get this quadratic equation by combining the like terms. And now 273, do the prime factorization. You will get the factors 13, 3 and 7. So 13 3s are 39 minus 7x. We'll get 32x. This, and then by taking out common, we'll get the two brackets like this. Now this bracket is common, take it out. We'll get this. In this way, we'll get two factors. Now either first factor is equal to 0 or second factor is equal to 0. From the first factor, we are getting x is equal to minus 39 because age, x is Rohan's present age and age can't be negative. Age कभी negative नहीं हो सकती. So we'll write neglected and x is equal to plus 7. So we will consider this as the answer. Therefore Rohan's present age is 7 years and mother's present age is, it is x plus 26. So put the value of x and you will get mother's present age. So dear students, in this way you can get the answer. Now dear students, last part. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. A train travels at a distance of 480 kilometer. What is this distance? So distance given to us is 480 kilometers, right? Now what they are saying, obviously distance never changes. हमारी speed change हो सकती है, speed के according time change हो सकता है, but the distance remains same. Like Delhi और अम्बाला के बीच में 200 kilometers distance is there. So it can't be changed. We can change our speed and if we'll change our speed, the time will also changes. ज़्यादा speed रखेंगे कम time लगेगा, कम speed रखेंगे ज़्यादा time. सो वो बोल रहे हैं अ ट्रेन ट्रेवल्स एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 480 किलोमीटर at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometer per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find out the speed of the train. Dear students, whatever we have to find out, that will be our statement. Let speed of the train is x kilometer per hour. Do not forget of writing the units. Now in the first case, let us take the general case in which the speed is x. The distance is constant 480 kilometers. Let us assume to cover this distance with this speed we have taken t hours. हमें टाइम नहीं गिवन है जब हमारी स्पीड ये है तो हमने मान लिया t hours. But in second case, dear students, क्या बोल रहे हैं? If the speed had been 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर लेस, कि अगर स्पीड को हम ओरिजिनल स्पीड जो पहले थी उसमें से 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर लेस कर दें, डज इट मीन द स्पीड इज़ 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर? नो, 8 किलोमीटर लेस करना है 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर. सो इफ़ योर स्पीड इज़ 70 किलोमीटर पर आवर, हम 8 किलोमीटर लेस करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 70 माइनस 8 62. सेम ईयर इफ़ द स्पीड इज़ x, देन अगर हम लेस करेंगे तो स्पीड कितनी हो जाएगी? x माइनस 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर. Obviously the distance remains same, but dear students, it is quite understood. अगर हमारी स्पीड कम हो जाती है तो टाइम क्या लगता है? ज़्यादा. So this is what they said. They have given to us in the question that then it would have taken 3 hours more. तो जो पहले टाइम लगा है उससे 3 घंटे ज़्यादा लगेंगे अगर स्पीड हम ये लेंगे. So in this case, this is the case which we have to assume ourselves. And this is the condition which is given to us. So by combining the two conditions, we'll solve it. So dear students, let us solve it. And as I told you earlier, that whenever they'll talk about the speed, we have to use the formula for speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay? So speed is x in first case is equal to distance is 480 kilometer upon time is t. Right? Now let us see the second part, second case. Again we'll use the same formula. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is x minus 8 is equal to distance constant 480. Time is t plus 3. So let us combine them, cross multiply. We'll get x minus 8 into t plus 3 is equal to 480. Right? So dear students, now we need to find out speed. हम स्पीड की वैल्यू पुट नहीं करेंगे, x की वैल्यू नहीं पुट करेंगे. वी विल एलिमिनेट t. हम यहाँ से t की वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं और t हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? लेट अस सी. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. विल टेक t टू द अबव साइड एंड विल टेक x here like this. Now put this value in this equation. Put equation 1 in equation 2. We'll mark this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we'll put this value in equation 2. Put 1 first equation in 2. So what do we get? X minus 8 bracket t. What is t? It is 480 by x plus 3 is equal to 480. Now just solve it. As you know, it is in fraction. We have to take the LCM. Then multiply the two brackets and then cross multiply. So let us take the LCM quickly. X will get 480 plus 3x like this is equal to 480. Now this is in numerator, this is in numerator. Multiply the two brackets and this x will get cross multiplied. We'll get 480x and by distributive solve it. So let us solve it. So here you can see, dear students, this will get cross multiplied and by multiplying x minus 8 multiplied by 480 plus 3x we'll get this equation. 3x here minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0. But as you can see, 324 and 3840 all three are the multiples of 3. So we can reduce this equation by dividing the complete equation by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24 and 1280. Now by prime factorization of this number we'll get many factors, and from there we'll make the pair, and we can see that by subtracting 32 from 40 we'll get 8. So we'll take 40x minus 32x, because as you can see outside the bracket a negative sign is there, so do not forget of putting this bracket, okay, and when you open the bracket the sign will get changed, okay. Then you will get two factors in this way, x minus 40 into x plus 30 is equal to 0. Now either the first factor is equal to 0 or the second factor is equal to 0, but in case in this factor we'll get x is equal to minus 32. Again a negative value is here, and as you can see the speed of the train can't be negative, so we'll write neglected. Dear students, this word is also very important to write, okay. So we will write neglected, and from this factor x minus 40 is equal to 0, we'll get x is equal to 40, positive value. So we'll consider this as the speed of the train, and we'll end the question by the answer, which the statement which we have written in the starting, in very beginning, that will be our answer. Just remove let, we'll write therefore the speed of the train is 40 km per hour. Do not forget of writing the units, because your half marks will be deducted if you will not write the units.